What a lot of people aren't getting about GPT Real-Time 2 is that it's not just a slightly better or even much better voice model. It's a step change. It's a totally different thing. GPT Real-Time 1.5 was basically a chatbot with a microphone. GPT Real-Time 2 is a live voice layer that can reason, call tools, and operate actual app UI in real time. So I want to give you an example of this, and I'll show you how I'm using it in my app. So I use GPT Real-Time 2 in ScaleMe to build this little guy. Kind of a friendly guide that helps users through the app, through the full user lifecycle. So it helps them with onboarding and understanding the product surface. And as they become more experienced users of the app, it grows with them and is useful to them at their level. So what's cool is that it knows the user, it understands the context, which screen it's on, which conversation is open, and it can also take actions within the app. Some harmless actions it could take on its own. For example, if the user just wants to say, take me to settings, it could bring them directly into settings without the user needing to click anything. Or it can open a chat, write a draft message to a specific other user or agent. And then for higher risk actions, it requires a manual confirmation from the user. It could be opened and closed by clicking on it or with the Command-Shift-Y shortcut.
Welcome to ScaleMe. This is your workspace for AI teammates across chat, voice, and workflows. I can show you around, open a relevant chat, draft a message, or help tune your profile and settings. What would you like to try first?
So this is my first time here. What am I looking at?
You're on a WhatsApp-style workspace where different AI teammates live in chats, and I can help you work with them through voice, drafts, and workflows. If you want, I can show you around, open a chat, or help personalize your profile so the teammates fit your style.
Show me where to start.
Okay, let's start by opening the main workspace so you can see your options. You're in the main workspace now, where all available AI teammate chats are listed. A simple start is to open one that matches your goal, like coaching, prompts, or productivity, and I can draft the first message with you.
Open whichever one you think would be that I'd like to get started.
Nice. I'll open a good general purpose teammate to get you moving. I open Sophia the AI PM, a solid starting point for planning and product style thinking. Want me to draft a quick first message asking for help with a small goal you have in mind?
Yeah.
Got it. I'll put a simple starter note in the composer for you. All right.
Okay, let's see what happens if we open it within a specific chat.
Welcome back to ScaleMe. I see the selected chat. I can explain what this agent is meant to do, draft the next message for you to review, or help tune the setup before anything is sent. What would you like to do?
Actually, can you open the art bot and generate an image of a cat?
Got it. I'll pop open ArtBot and set up a cat image prompt. I've opened ArtBot and drafted a prompt to generate a cat image. If you want, I can make it more specific, like a cartoon style, a photorealistic cat, or a particular pose or background.
No, that's fine. Can you send it?
Okay, I'll send that.
So GPT Real-Time 2 is useful because it handles the messy middle, context, corrections, tool calling, and interruptions. In ScaleMe, it lets me provide a voice agent that acts as an onboarding and friendly guide at first, and then as you get comfortable, it becomes a powered user interface. So what do you think of this cat?